Flip H.
Hey fellow masters, Master of None here with the actual master. The great sages atop the Himalayas said, behind every man that wears the pants in his family, the wife picks out his pants. So this is the master, Desiree. How you doing?
Great, thank you very much.
Please speak into the spoon.
Great, thank you very much.
What are we doing today?
We are going to be making a batch of homemade chicken stock.
Homemade chicken stock. So one thing that I haven't mentioned on the channel yet is that we raise chickens, eggs, and meat. And once we get enough chicken components that we're not going to eat, we make stock out of it. So in this short video, we're going to make some chicken stock. So, what exactly is all that?
So it looks horrible because this is stuff you don't like to eat. But we actually have the livers, necks, and hearts. So when we butcher the chickens, I'll save all this stuff for stock. And then additionally, I've got a bunch of carcasses left over from just cutting the pieces off the chicken. So we'll just save all that bone and scrap and fat and boil it up.
Really cool.
Oh, also, if I roast a chicken, I'll save all the drippings and I'll throw those in too.
That's the secret ingredient.
Secret ingredient.
So we got the chicken in there. What's next?
Fill it up with some water. Could add one more carcass. All right, other secret ingredient. Just some vinegar. Gonna put a couple good gloves in there.
So what does that do?
That actually is going to help acidify the water a bit so that as the chicken boils, it'll help extract all of the gelatin. Yeah,
Oh, sure,
gelatin
right on.
out of the cartilage and the bones, which is all extra good for you.
Awesome. So what's the next step?
You're gonna warn me these things.
So what's the next step?
The next step, adding the heat.
Oh, very loud. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, and then it just, boils forever?
That's it. What we're going to do is just cover it up, break it down, stir it up occasionally to check that stuff is not sticking on the bottom. Once it comes to a full boil, we'll reduce it to a simmer. And then we will simmer all about 6 hours.
6 hours.
6 hours. Add some water as needed if it boils down. Some folks will throw in bits of vegetable in with it.
That sounds horrible. That sounds like the worst thing you could do.
Teach their own.
You've learned me today, and you're much smarter than I am. So thank you for helping me out on this video. You heard it here first, Masters. 6 hours, we're going to have some chicken stock. Can't wait.
Double, double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Looks pretty good.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying what you see on the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for any notifications from future videos. See you on the next one.